how to adjust the cutting angle on an Erbauer jigsaw. Now, this is a little difficult to show on camera, but I'll do my best to show you. It's super simple once you know how. Now, many people will say, turn it up, undo this bolt here, and twist it. It's not needed on the Erbauer impact driver. This little lever here is what untightens the screw, and we should see it straight away. So you push this away from the sign. Did you see that move away? So now, to adjust the angle, push away from the Erbauer sign. You lift that up, and now you can adjust the angle to your needs. Then, once you're happy with the angle, you push it towards the Erbauer sign. Then, use the lever to tighten it in place. You can see that's nice and tight, and we have our angle. Now what's happened here, so we untighten it, and let me show you from this angle. Oops. You can see there is sign, so you pull it away, pull it towards you to go into that slot, tighten it up like that. But what happens if you just leave it like that, so pushed away from the sign, it doesn't actually tighten, and it can slip around and move. So you need to get it in that slot, tighten it up, and there's your angle. So that's how easy it is to adjust the cutting angle on the Erbauer impact driver. You just need to know how to do it. So untighten it, push it up, adjust to your angle, push it down into that slot, tighten it up, and we're good to go. Hopefully that helps you out how to adjust the cutting angle on your Erbauer jigsaw. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.